How's it going, folks? Just got another package delivered, so I thought I'd do another quick unboxing. This just literally arrived yesterday or the day before. I just picked it up, so yeah, let me just get down to the unboxing and see what's inside. Might be a bit of a nightmare to open, so let me open it from this side. Hopefully I don't slice the contents up. I think this will be my 8th plane, I think. I've ordered one more. I don't know what this one is. I can't remember what I've ordered. This one is my second Gemini jets. The first one was an AirAsia A320 Neo in the box. And this one is an American Airlines McDonnell Douglas MD-80. So again, box for Gemini jets is pretty cool. All blue, logo at the bottom. 1 to 400 scale. Give you some info on the back. If I can get this into focus. Code. But I suppose the main thing with the Gemini jets is the info you get here. So I think it's a bit blurred, I think. There we go. If I zoom in, gives you delivery, the aircraft type is an MD-83, registration N9621A. Yeah, it just gives you all the other bits, as well as some of the history behind it. So I think that's quite cool on Gemini Jets' part. But I suppose the main thing you want to see is the actual aircraft itself, which I enjoy because, one, it just looks cool, especially in the chrome livery. Let me just quickly get it out of the box. Quite a lot of packaging. Wow, this looks cool. Okay, so far it looks really nice. Both sides are pretty cool. I like the chrome color. You got all the antennas. I mean, there's nothing popping out or anything. The landing gears spin, but the front one definitely doesn't. That's really tight. The engine's cool. So are the wings. Let me just quickly zoom in so you can get more detail. Hopefully you can see that. Ooh. So you can see, oh, hopefully it doesn't go out of focus. The landing gear, what I've noticed with Gemini jets is the landing gears aren't in proportion, because if you look at the front, you've just got this tiny little dot, and then you look on the back, you've got a pretty large wheel, I guess, or landing gear. That's the only sort of drawback I have with Gemini jets, but overall it looks pretty cool. You got the cockpit window, you got the first door, you got the doors for the cargo, all the windows. You've got the emergency exit doors there in white. You've got some detailing on the engine with the registration of the aircraft towards the back, and the American Airlines livery overall looks pretty nice. A lot of detail on the wings as well. Gives you all your exit areas, and again on the other side. Ooh. First door, nose is pretty cool. All the windows, and then you've got, I suppose those white dots, they might be antennas. If I can get it in frame. Yeah, you got some tips here, and then underneath the aircraft. I guess I'm not a big fan of that because obviously it's just not original. Like Phoenix, they don't put their logo or anything on the actual aircraft itself, but I get why they've done it. But actually a really nice little aircraft, well made, all metal. Yeah, very happy. So this is my second Gemini Jets aircraft to come through. My first American airline aircraft. Never flown with them. I might do in the future, but all the other aircraft minus the freighters I have flown on, which is partly the reason for my collection. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. If you do like the video, give it a like, and please do subscribe, because I'll probably no doubt have more content coming. Cheers.